friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making 2-ingredient Oreo mug cake. All we need are Oreos and milk. Super easy, and it's made in a microwave in a mug. So we need 4 Oreos, and I'm going to put them in a plastic bag and crush them with this rolling pin into crumbs. So 4 Oreos. So add 4 Oreos to the bag and use a rolling pin to crush them into crumbs. And now, once you've crushed the Oreos into crumbs, let's put them in the mug. So here I have a mini mug. And now to these Oreo crumbs, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. And now I'm going to mix milk with crumbs until it's smooth. And now let's put the mug in the microwave. And I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now the microwave is done cooking, and here is the Oreo mug cake. It's perfectly done. Oreos are turned into a single serving mug cake. I'm so excited about trying it. Look at that. Let's try it. Look at that. Perfect texture. It tastes amazing. If you love Oreos, you're going to appreciate this Oreo flavored cake. You'll love it. And it's so easy. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!